How to add passkeys in Binance. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and from this home page you will get to see these three bars into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after going in here, select your profile. Now after selecting the profile, you will get to see this option of security. Tap to security option, and now after going into security option, you will get this section of two-factor authentication. Now in here you will get this option of passkey. Now in order to add passkey, simply tap into passkey. Just simply tap to add passkey, and now you can choose two options. First one is passkey and second one is security key. Now we need passkey, so we'll choose first option. Now after doing that much, it will send a verification code into your email address, and after entering the code, it will automatically submit the code to it, and then you just simply need to give access to create a passkey here. And now just simply put your biometrics in here.